If you use PowerPoint 2007, one of the smartest things you can do is adjust your auto-recover settings so you're better protected if the program closes unexpectedly or your computer shuts down. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage auto-recover settings in PowerPoint 2007 step by step so you can control how often your work is saved and where those recovery files are stored. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint 2007 and look to the top left corner of the window. Click the Office button. This is the round button that opens the main file menu in PowerPoint 2007. From there, look at the bottom of the menu and click PowerPoint Options. This will open the PowerPoint Options window where you can change several important program settings. Once the PowerPoint Options window opens, look at the list on the left side and click Save. This section controls how PowerPoint handles saving, recovery, and file storage. Now find the setting that says Save Auto Recover Information Every. Make sure that box is checked because that turns on the Auto Recover feature. Next to it, you'll see a time setting. This is where you choose how often PowerPoint saves a recovery copy of your work. You can set it to something like 5 minutes if you want more frequent protection, or 10 minutes if you want a slightly longer interval. The lower the number, the more often PowerPoint will save recovery data, which can be really helpful if you're working on an important presentation. After that, look for the Auto Recover File Location option. This tells PowerPoint where to store the recovery files on your computer. If you want, you can change this folder to a different location that is easier for you to access or better organized for your workflow. Just click in the location box, type or browse to the new folder, and make sure it's a place you'll remember. Managing this setting is useful because it helps you keep track of where your backup files are stored, especially if you ever need to recover unsaved work. Once you've made your changes, click OK to save your settings and close the window. From this point on, PowerPoint will use your new auto-recover timing and file location settings automatically. That means your work will be saved in the background at the interval you selected, giving you extra peace of mind while you edit slides. If you've ever lost a presentation before, you already know how valuable this feature can be. Setting auto-recover properly only takes a minute, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration later. And that's how to manage auto-recover settings in PowerPoint 2007. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and computer guides.